I've got a really big crush on Daniel Smith Primatek Kyanite watercolor. It is so gorgeous. It has this sparkly, natural sparkly element that just makes, no matter what you do, just glimmer and sparkle like stars in the sky. I really love it. And it actually has a nice, it goes down nice and evenly in a nice wash. And it goes from a very nice light color to a very nice and dark. And when it dries, you just won't believe how gorgeously sparkly and yummy it really is. Another feature I really like about this watercolor is that it lifts off the paper very easily. So a little water, a little template here, and I'm able to make a bright moon just by using a nice kind of a dampened sponge to lift that color, and it just comes out almost pure white. Still has a nice little glitter though, and I like that. And I'm just using a little titanium white to bring out some sparkle stars, and I'll also highlight the moon a little bit more, and I'll just keep painting. I like this kyanite so much that I kind of got carried away with it a little bit. I should have stopped right here, but no, I just kept going and going, and I started to not really like what I was doing. And the beauty about this watercolor is if I was able to actually, once I let it dry, I masked off the area with some washi tape, the area that I wanted to erase actually, and I was able to erase it with that sponge that I used on the moon. And I was so happy because I just did not like this black area that I made just by layering the colors. Now that it's masked and lifted, I was able to just do a little tiny detail by putting a little gray neutral tint, made a little sailboat, and I have a moonscape. Well, I hope you enjoy kyanite as much as I do.